Some cities hold you the way autumn does, softly like an old song. Richmond is one of those places. The trees blush, the air smells like wood smoke and rain, and everything seems to whisper, "Slow down." This is the season of reflection, of remembering where your roots still reach. Richmond sits at the meeting of old stories and new beginnings, the pulse of the South wrapped in the rhythm of the river. It's the perfect mirror for Vata season, when air and space rise, the winds pick up, and the soul drifts toward nostalgia. When Vata takes the stage, we feel it. Dry skin, busy minds, sleepless nights. Ayurveda reminds us to ground ourselves, eat warm, oily, sweet, slow down. Soothe the senses. This is the time for cinnamon, ghee, and maple, foods that anchor us in the body's quiet. Today's dish is a maple root mash with spiced ghee, a bowl of soft warmth that tastes like memory itself. We'll take sweet potatoes, carrots, and parsnips and roast them until they're beautifully caramelized. Then we'll add a generous drizzle of real maple syrup for that earthy sweetness and a spoonful of spiced ghee infused with cinnamon, clove, and cardamom for balance and warmth. It's a simple reminder that grounding can be beautiful and delicious. The first people of this land, the Powhatan Confederacy, thrived on roots, corn, and gathered herbs. Their food wasn't just sustenance, it was ceremony. When we cook with intention, we keep that memory alive, making an offering of gratitude to the land that still feeds us. In Richmond, I learned that slowing down isn't weakness, it's wisdom. The leaves fall not because they're dying, but because they've given all they can for the season. And maybe that's what we're meant to do too. Let go gracefully. This was Richmond, where maple meets memory. Next, we travel north to Rapid City, where indigenous corn and gratitude meet under wide open skies. Until then, bend, root, and breathe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and reflections.